Gold against dollar this week has lost its value, and we can see the week has started with strong bearish candle, which was expected based on the previous week analysis. If you have not watched the previous week analysis, feel free to check it, where I was expecting that the price will reach this area 2653. This was reached immediately on a Monday, so the weekly target has been reached. After that, the price has formed this bearish breakout, then another bearish candle, another bearish candle, another bearish candle. Every day was a bearish candle. This was also shared with the traders inside Telegram group when this breakout was happening, forming, and this was also mentioned that 2550.00 was expected. So what will happen next, we will see in the next minutes. The week has closed as a bearish candle, and a pretty strong bearish candle body has been formed where the 2550.00 is very important support level where the price has stopped. Monthly time frame shows me strong bearish candle, and it has stopped also on the monthly support level 2550.00. So we can see that on the three levels the price has stopped just here at the support, and it has bounced back up. This bounce also was also shared with the traders that is expected on the monthly time frame and also weekly and the daily that the price could bounce back up, and this has been formed also on the chart. Now let's go to the weekly and the daily. For the week, I can see only that the prices reach this support level, and that's all. For now, I am waiting to see what happens on the lower time frame to see how the price will behave. For the weekly, it is important for the bears to make a bearish breakout going below 2550.00 in order to continue to lose its value. Will that happen? We'll see on the daily time frame. Now, the daily time frame shows me currently we are here in between this confluence of resistance because we have this trend line which is acting as a resistance, and we have here horizontal line acting as a resistance. So this was a support, very important monthly, weekly and the daily support, so it will be very hard for the price to go in any of the directions. So currently I am waiting for the price to make a bearish breakout going below or bullish breakout going above. Until then, I'm waiting outside, but also I will also watch the 4-hour time frame. We can see that here how the price is behaving around this area here and here. Where the price makes a breakout, this will be indication of the further direction. But if I make a conclusion and correlation, for example, with the silver, where I have made the analysis in another video, it is expected that the silver will fall in value, so I'm expecting also that the gold will follow, which means I am expecting that the price will make a bearish breakout below this support level. Will it happen? Let's go day by day, and also you will also be able to watch my analysis I share on the daily basis. If you would like to receive notification when there is a breakout happening on the bullish side or bearish side with the targets where the price could go, like in this week where I have shared details with the traders, check the Telegram group in the comments. So if you would like, feel free to join. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.